Hello, I'm Jackie Sutter. Cell isolation from whole blood has never been faster. With MACSxpress Technology, you can get pure cells within 20 minutes, without density gradient centrifugation. Let me show you how it works. Simply add the reconstituted MACSxpress cell isolation cocktail to anticoagulated whole blood. You can conveniently process up to 30 milliliters of whole blood in one go. Mix and incubate for 5 minutes in a MACSmix tube rotator. During this time, the unwanted cells are labeled with MACSxpress beads. The target cells remain unlabeled. To isolate the target cells, place the tube in the magnetic field of the MACSxpress separator for 15 minutes. Erythrocytes will aggregate and form a sediment. The unwanted cells, which are magnetically labeled, are drawn to the side of the tube, whereas the target cells will remain in the supernatant. You can now easily collect the pure target cells from the tube. The cells are immediately ready for any downstream application. Look at these results achieved with MACSxpress Technology. In this example, CD4 positive T cells were enriched to a purity of 98%. With MACSxpress Technology, you will obtain pure cells from whole blood in just 20 minutes. For more information, please visit miltennybiotech.com/MACSxpress.